Welcome to another episode of Air Power Live. Today, we're going to talk about how you choose your powder coating equipment partner. What does that mean, Eddie?
Typically, we have to take into account multiple things. Those are, but not limited to, track record. What kind of track record does the person that you're talking to have? Do they have a good track record? Do they have a good reputation? Or is it bad? Talk to other people in the field that you're in. Ask them, right? Ask them, see what they think.
Yep. Sometimes you could go a little bit out of your area. You've got competition in your area that you're not really comfortable talking to. You could call a ways outside, an hour drive or whatever, outside of maybe your area, and you could find somebody that does powder in that area and ask them who they dealt with. Did they like them? Did they not like them? Why? And that'll give you basically what I'm leading to there is references. Find those references. If you talk to a supplier and you invite them in to talk about what you want to do, your goals, what you need to purchase to do what you need to do, you want to ask them possibly for references. Can they take you somewhere? Can they take you somewhere that might be an OEM manufacturer that has something that you're looking at that doesn't mind if you come in and see the equipment?
They're installed base, right?
Or Air Power, for instance, we bring people inside. We are standing right here in our corporate office finishing lab.
High Point, North Carolina?
Yeah, High Point, North Carolina. We're sitting here actually in the powder booth.
Inside.
So we have facilities to show you things. So if you're looking for a supplier, no matter where you are, ask if they have facilities to show off the equipment, show you how it works. Bring in your parts, hang them on the conveyor, powder coat them live in the lab. We've got cure ovens, everything. So that's part of the process as well.
It's a great way to not interrupt your production and take time away from you making dollars.
Correct.
Come here, focus on what you need to focus on, and then go back and do your business, okay?
Correct.
So installed base, we talked about that. Layers of support. Layers of support from your partner is really critical. So many people talk about peeling back the layers of the onion to get to the core and see what's there, right? So for Air Power, for example, a person like me, your account manager, that's your first layer of defense and your first layer of support. So we also have equipment specialists that are for GEMA and other liquid products, but they're also a specialist just in finishing. So we have that layer of support behind us there too. We have technical layers of support within each branch, right? So that person is backed up by people in the branch who understands their equipment and who understands their spare parts needs, right? So you keep peeling those layers back and you find out where your real support can come from. Another thing about that support, how far away are they from you? Are they 5 hours away from you, or are they an hour and a half from you? So those are important things to consider when choosing a partner.
Correct. A big portion of a problem when you have to have things repaired or when you have something down, you need spare parts availability. Somebody who's got those spare parts on hand, some cases same day, to be able to get back up and running in production is critical. That leads me to what happens if something's gone wrong with this. It's a part of it's gotten old, a wear part's changed, its efficiency, something needs to be repaired. Maybe more than just a regular wear part.
You may have dropped the gun and it may have broken it and you don't know what to do,
Simple
right?
human error. Repair department. Somebody like Air Power has centers, multiple centers that are licensed for repair from GEMA. They are GEMA repair centers. That's a huge positive when you're looking for a partner, somebody who can actually provide those services and doesn't have to third party them somewhere, third party them somewhere.
To segue off of that, as we are certified, authorized repair department for GEMA equipment, they mandate that we keep a certain amount of parts on hand to cover your warranty on your unit. That's a 5-year warranty, okay, for parts that don't touch the powder. Anything goes wrong with it, it's covered for 5 years. In addition to that, not every distributor has this, but Air Power prides itself on If your unit fails under warranty, 9 times out of 10, we bring you a loaner. We send it out there, or the account managers like me, we go get it and we take it to your shop so that you're up and running, so that you're not missing production.
That's right.
And that's very valuable. How much value is in 2 days of production for your shop? Think about that when you're choosing a partner.
Some people out there don't even have a loaner plan. Your gun's down. Guess what? Somebody's going to either drive it
So who knows where?
to who knows where, Indianapolis, or they're putting it on a pallet and shipping it themselves. This isn't a light gun, and if you've kept up with freight costs lately, you'll know it's very expensive to just do that. So having a supplier with loaner equipment is not a little factor. That's a big deal.
It's a very big deal. So choose your partners wisely.
Choose them wisely. If you'd like to talk to Air Power about how we work with our customers and what we have available in detail, visit us on our website at airpower-usa.com or that 800 number right down below here. Give us a call. Just ask us for some help and to schedule an appointment. We're glad to help you. Thanks for watching Air Power Live.
See you next time.